We'll guide you through how to sync settings in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. You'll want to ensure you have the latest version installed, as syncing settings is a feature that becomes more streamlined with updates. Once you're in VS Code, look at the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, choose Turn on Settings Sync. This will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft or GitHub account. Using your account ensures that your settings are synced across all devices you use. After signing in, you'll be asked to select what types of data you want to sync. You can choose from settings, key bindings, extensions, snippets, and UI state. It's a good idea to select all of them to have a seamless experience across devices. Once you've made your selections, click OK or Confirm to start syncing. VS Code will take care of the rest, automatically syncing your chosen settings to the cloud. You can verify that the sync is successful by checking the status in the bottom left corner next to the gear icon. If you need to sync on another device, simply repeat the process. Log in with the same account and enable Settings Sync. This will pull down all your configurations from the cloud. Remember, whenever you make changes to your settings, key bindings, or extensions, VS Code will automatically update them in the cloud, so your other devices stay up to date. This feature is incredibly useful for developers working on multiple devices or switching between different workstations. It saves time and ensures consistency in your development environment. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.